me with honesty. Someone's gotta take the lead tonight. Who's it gonna be? I'm gonna sit right here and tell you all that comes to me. If you have something to say, you should say it now.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So in today's vlog, we are going to be doing something to my hair. It's giving alfalfa right now, but we're gonna get it together. I am gonna be putting in some clip-ins once my wrap gets kind of, I don't want to say old, but when I just want to switch it up while it's straightened, I will add in clip-ins just for a different look. Half up, half down, side part, middle part, whatever. But today we're gonna do a side part. So yeah, so we're gonna jump into today's vlog. We're gonna be doing some maintenance things. Hopefully today I have time to do everything I want to do. I want to get a wax. I want to get my nails done. I want to go to the gym. So yeah, we're gonna jump into it. And first we're gonna do the clip-ins. So the ones that I have are these are actually from my local beauty supply store, and they just have the clips. They're nothing fancy smancy. They're regular, but it is human hair, and they are black, as you can see, but they look very natural once I install them, and it gives so in, and that's the look we want. So we're just gonna get started with that. So the first thing I do is I like to get my hair parted the way I want it to be. First. And so we're gonna do that. And I cannot part. I don't know about y'all, but I can't part with the damn. Okay, finally got my hair parted. That was insane. So now we're just gonna start adding in the clips. But first, I'm gonna kind of take my hot comb and go over like the back of my hair a little bit, just to kind of straighten out any of these little kinks right here. Just gonna smooth that out. This is not a lot of heat. I'm literally passing through it like once with the hot comb. Just to get my little back straight as possible. My edges get nappy. I don't know what it is, and they get nappy every time. I don't matter what I do, they're gonna be nappy. Alright, so we're gonna start off by parting off the hair for the clips. Just literally parting it off. And I don't part off in like small, tiny sections, because I am leaving my hair out. Some people braid their hair down and then attach the clips. I like doing it that way. I like that way, but today is not really, it's not giving that today. So we're just gonna, you know what though? Yeah. I don't feel like doing it. I feel like even if I braid it, I probably can't even braid, because I really can't braid like that. So I'm probably not even gonna be able to make a braid. Let me see if I can even make a braid going across and then attach the clip in. I've seen the girls do it this way, and it protects your hair, your real hair for sure. But let me see if I can even braid straight across, because I can't braid for real, like at all. Much less time I braiding sideways, be for real. Well, we did something. I don't know if it's a braid though. Did something. See, once I get to the ends, I cannot connect the dots. Because this is probably giving. But then what I'm gonna do with this? Like I would have to like connect. I would have to take this braid and then connect to another braid. And we know I can't do that. I know I can't do that. So we'll do that. We'll do it that way another time. And then too, when you braid, you gotta have a good bit of clip ins because you don't have no hair to blend in with it. So if you're gonna do it that way, you gotta have a lot of clips, and I don't have a lot of clips. I don't really put that many in my head, so that's another reason. If I ever buy another pack of clip ins, then I will do it braided down because it'll be full. But right now I feel like it would look skimpy if I don't leave my hair like blended in with it. If that makes sense. Alright, so we're gonna take, and when I'm in the back, I'm not gonna use the real big one. I'm gonna use the 3, the one with 3. Make sure your clips are open, and I do kind of like just comb mine out. And then we're just gonna put them onto my hair. That is literally all it is to it. It's not no science to it. It's not nothing complicated. That is literally it. I am gonna plug up my curling iron because I want some curls. I think, yeah, we want some curls. And that feels really good and secure. I like to do it when my hair is kind of old, because if you do it on freshly pressed like silk, if your hair is real silky, like mine gets real silky, your clip ins gonna slip, they're not gonna stay. So this is a good time to do it because my hair is not super straight, you know, and they got something to grab onto because you don't want them to be slipping out. So then we're gonna go up higher. And because we're doing a side part, I want to keep my clips away from this area. You do it just like you would if you was doing a sew in. You don't want them to come all the way to your ear. So we're gonna start this side further over, and we're just parting all the way across. Now once you get over here, it don't matter because this is where the weight of your hair is, and you can come all the way to the front because this is going to be covered. So clip ins are all about placement. It's all about placement when you're doing clip ins. So we got that one, we got it parted. My roots are pretty straight. I don't need to like press them out. They still straight from a week ago, which is good. Now this time we're gonna go in with the bigger clip, the one that has 4. Just gonna comb them out, and we're gonna go. I'm gonna start putting the most. You want to kind of measure it out first. It ain't gonna be perfect, but that's okay. And then we're just gonna clip all the way across that part. Slide your comb, push your comb down, clip. Push it down, clip. Push down, clip. And you can already see how full it is with just that. If I had my hair braided, I would have had to keep them closer together, and I would need more. I'm able to space it out more because I have my hair in between. And I know people say, oh, they're damaging, they're bad for your hair, but I don't sleep in my clip-ins. Like, when I take these out tonight, I'm going to take them out. I'm going to wrap my hair like I've been doing all week. And then I'll put them back in if I want to, for, you know, to get that look. But I don't keep mine in for long periods of time. Alright. So now, since I don't have another long one like that, what I got left are the tubes. Like this. So this is how we're gonna do it. So as you can see, this side, we know we need more, right? You can see, well, that really don't even look bad, but I want it fuller. This side, you can see my hair stops right here, and then you got clips. You don't want it to look thin like this. Like this would not be, this ain't enough. Not for me. Everybody different. But I'm not gonna leave mine like this. So what I'm gonna start doing is coming over here to this side, and I'm gonna just kind of separate my hair. And we're gonna start working in these two-piece ones that we have. Because this is my hair. But you see how seamless it blends in with the clip-ins? This is my hair, and it's just like a perfect match. And we're gonna just take these and pop in. Probably gonna do two. Start one right here, the two pieces. And then we got room for another one. So we're gonna put another one right here. And it's okay if they overlap. I mean, I'll just be clipping on. Really try to make it perfect. It don't matter. It's not that serious. And always take your hair down and see what you're looking like, so you can tell if you need to add some more. That's how I do mine. So we can see this is filling in. We're gonna do that same thing though, because we still need more to fill this up, fill this in some more. Now as far as the back, I am gonna add in some here because you don't want it to look choppy. Like my hair stops about right here. You don't want to be able to see that. So we're gonna come back over here. I'm gonna just kind of go in about right here. And I'm gonna add another two clip one. Just gonna slide it in, clip down, slide down, and clip. That's gonna make that balance out and look fuller back there. It's okay to have a layered look, but you don't want a choppy look. It's a difference. So we're gonna keep going, and we're gonna keep filling in this. So I'm gonna come around up here in this area, because I know I can fit in another two up here. I'm gonna add one in here. Get that down. And as you go further and further up, you just keep filling in until you get the look you want. I like mine to look full but natural, but not like choppy, not skimpy. I can't stand it. So I got right here, so I'm gonna part about right here. Now we at the top. So, you know, we need to add in, ooh, another 2. Another 2. Right here. Now we almost full, right? See the difference. But we can't forget about this side. Now I'm still gonna come over here. I got some that are singles. I got 3 left. I got a 1 and I got 2 2s. And in total, I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's about 10 clips that I'm using for my taste. You may like your hair way more fuller than this. You may want it thinner than this. It's about your preference and how you like yours to look. But I like mine to get very much natural. You know, this is my hair. That's just me. So we got so far. Nice and full, but not too full. You know, just enough. So we still gonna come over here, and I want to fill in here a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I want to keep it away from my ear still. We still got this out the way. So I'm gonna come up higher, right here, and I'm gonna put in the 1 clip, one that I have. We're gonna put that one right there, and that's gonna take in that little bit. If you got a full head of hair, it is not gonna take much. I add this in more so for length and more fullness. See, that gives us that. Once we curl this, it's gonna look layered, and it's gonna hit. You can already kind of see how it's gonna fall, and that's cool because it's the side part. Now we're gonna keep filling in over here because I want to bring this. I want to fill in right here some. So now I'm gonna keep going higher. See where I got room at for more clips. I can go right here. You gotta think, even if you're going high, they're gonna fall. So it's okay if it's up a little higher. And we're gonna add in this 2 that I got. Yeah. Put it down. Put it down. And honestly, we probably can stop right there. Probably. I like to play with it. You see how it's gonna lay, how it's gonna, you know, how it's gonna hit my part a little bit before we start styling it. Yeah, there we go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start grabbing pieces from the back, and we're gonna start curling it. Got some curls in it, and you still can part it off like you would if it was your hair. Just follow the clips. You can feel the clip ins and just part right there so you can curl. And when you curl it, you're gonna be blending it in with the clip ins, like that heat will kind of like bond them together. And we're just gonna curl this up all the way around. I like smaller curling irons because to me, the tighter they are when they fall, baby, they hit. So I like to curl mine a little tighter at first, and then throughout the day, once they fall, they're gonna look good. So. This is what we're doing, and we're just gonna do this all over my head.
Story of my life, searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me.
Alright, so we got some curls, got a little you know. So now I'm just gonna go in with my wet stick. Just lay down my part and these edges. Just a little bit. And I use the gummy from Amazon. Best edge control. The best. Just dab a little bit at the top of my edges and then brush them down. Edge control, the truth, I'm telling you. Gonna lay down my edges. I don't like a lot of baby hair, so we're not doing the most. Keep it cute. Yeah. There we go with an instant style with some clip ins. And it took me, I would say about 45 minutes, only because I had to curl the clip, you know, curl the hair down. So that's what took the most of the time, is curling. But installing the clip ins themselves doesn't take much time at all. And so, yeah. So now we got a little style. And then when I get back, I will take these out. I won't sleep in them, like I said. I'll take them out, and I'll wrap my hair back up like normal. And go on about my day. And that just keeps my hair from pulling from the clips. So I don't want to sleep in them. They're already like loose curls. I don't know. I'm in a rush a little bit, so they're not. I didn't curl them super tight as I normally would, because I normally would take my time and go like piece by piece. But yeah, there we go. And you got a quick little style at home, and this give us a win for sure. Alright, so now we're about to run some errands, get out the house a little bit. I need to go to Target, of course, because what's an errand without Target? Nothing. So we're gonna do that. And yeah, so I will I can damn talk. I will check back in with y'all once we get to our first stop, where we're going. And I'll pick you guys back up then, and I'll check back in later.
Got a lot of pains, got a lot of IP on me. I gotta feel myself off. I gotta feel myself off. I gotta cool it down. I gotta cool it down. It's been a lot of.
Alright guys, so we are home. I didn't get a lot out of Target, like I said. I did get this Cremo Italian Bergamot. This is men's body wash, but I use their Palo Santo. Smells so good, and it's just, if you like musky smells like that, then you would like that. I like musky smells, so that's my thing. Got a pack of these. I've already opened them and put them up, but cotton balls. I found this cute little set. Just a top and shorts, because I love loungewear. I just can't get enough. And this bodysuit is giving Skims dupe, maybe. But I am gonna try it on and see what it's hitting for. Let's go try it on, matter of fact. Okay, this is super cute. I got a size medium in the top, and I got a medium in the bottoms too. Super, super, super cute. Love, love, love. And the color, yeah, hitting. Bodysuit, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Like, what? Very fitted though, so it's showing my little roll. And it's a thong bathing suit, so, but yes, this is cute, soft. Love this. I'm going back to get, I had black too. And this is the brand Auden. It's Auden. Yeah. This is really cute. Y'all should go grab this too. And this set also came in another color, pink, black, gray. And this brand is Colsie. That's the brand. And these are a medium. So yeah, but this bodysuit, I love a good bodysuit. It's a neutral. I wish they would have had like a lighter nude, but I love this tan color. You can really wear this with like some cute jeans and some slides, like wide leg jeans. And then you can even elevate it a little bit and put it on with something really nice in a little nude heel or a color, pop of color. But you can do a lot with, I like staple pieces like this to have, so I can have little pieces to throw on. Because it's like, oh, I got some cute pants, I need a top. A bodysuit gonna do it every time. Bodysuit and jeans, you can't lose. Bodysuit and shorts, you can't lose. I really see this with like some boyfriend type shorts, kind of like a loose look on the short, since this is so fitted, but like a boyfriend type pant, wide leg flare, cute little vibe. And then just dress it up with a lot of jewelry, some cute earrings, put your shades on in the bag, and you have to go. What's up, guys? It is Friday, May 24th. It is Memorial Day weekend. Hope you guys have a safe weekend. Tonight, me and my daughter want oysters. So we are making oysters Rockefeller. That's what we're doing. Now, they did not come shucked, so I am going to have to shuck them on my own. So that's what we're about to do. And I'm going to stuff them with spinach, bacon, cheese. And yeah. So, let's get the shucking. I am gonna wash them. They need to be clean first. Okay. So on Fridays, if you didn't know, Whole Foods has 12 oysters for $12. I did get 24 because my daughter loves them, and you know, last time we did this, she was like, I want more. So yeah, but we're gonna shuck these, and you want to take your knife, dig into it, and it does take a little effort. You gotta kind of dig until you get it to pop. I don't know if y'all can see that, but once it's popped open, you twist. And it should. You want to keep the towel so you don't cut your hand. So then they're open like this. And we're gonna take the knife and separate it, basically. And there we go. I'm gonna put this to the side of the plate. And then we're gonna continue to open this bag. Throw away the excess. Okay, so we're about to taste test the oysters. Tell the vlog hi, Chloe.
Hi.
Okay, taste it.
Okay, we gotta eat it at the same time.
Okay, come on.
Hold on.
Just lift it up a little bit so you can just bite it.
I gotta put lemon on.
Is anything coming out? Okay.
I'm trying to act like it's not hot.
It's him. Oh. What you rate them?
10 out of 10. Let's try again.
Yeah. What she said. It's so good. I mean, they're good. And I made like 24. We probably finna bust them down. I'll quit smacking now. You got a good one. We're gonna eat. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is Sunday, May 25th. We are headed out for a little day party action, you know. I did my hair, tried something different, and I think it's cute. It's not super neat, but I didn't want it like hard and crunchy, so I left it kind of like soft. So yeah, this is what we're doing. I'm gonna show y'all the fit. Hold on. So we just got on this 2-piece short set. Let me see. So we got on. So I'm trying to decide if I should do purple or silver. These hurt like hell, so I'll probably push y'all back so you can see. Still can't see. Anyway, so now we got to decide. We want to do silver bag, purple bag. Silver bag, purple bag, silver bag, purple bag. I don't know. I kind of like the silver. Matches my shoes. And then we're gonna wear these shades. We're gonna wear these. Where y'all see everything. Can't get right. This is the whole look. So we got. Yeah. So about to be out. I will see y'all when we get there, and I'll pick y'all back up then. What's up, guys? Today is Monday. It's the next day. I am just making some spaghetti, something real quick. And look at this. Toothpaste. Anyway, making some food real quick, and then I'm gonna take my daughter out. This is like I'm gonna take her out driving. She needs to learn how to parallel park because my girl can't park. So that's what we're gonna go do in a little bit after I fix food. But yeah, we just really chilling out. I don't really have a lot going on today. It's an off day and I wanted to really stay in. I have not left the house, and it is 4:15. And I really rested. I didn't get up until maybe 1. So yeah, I needed it. I just wanted to sleep in, not be bothered, not do nothing, really unplug and chill. And I did that. So yeah. So anyway, we're gonna make this food and I'll check back in with y'all once we finish eating, and I'll take her out driving for a little bit. Go ahead. Remember what I said. Slow down a little bit. Okay. Yay! You did it a little bit. That's better. That's better. Yeah, you about got it that time. Go do it again. Okay. When you do it, you'll feel it. You know what I mean? Like you about to hit the bottle, Lord. Why are you turning your wheel that way? Lord Jesus. You would have hit about 3 cars. Line up. There you go. There you go. Now go on back. Straight back. No, don't turn the wheel no more. There you go. There you go. That's it. But you can't be all the way over there. Like that. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and end the vlog off here. I hope you all have a great week. Hope you enjoyed your Memorial Day weekend. And if you were off today, I hope you enjoyed your day off for the holiday. It'll be great. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.